Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. My name is Steve and today I will show you how to make this picture look like this using our real life wedding presets. So let's get started. I will reset the image and we'll start. So here we have our up preset wedding. If we select this one, and we're going to select high exposure adjustment number 1. This will bring your picture darker. So that's the look that we're looking for. Then the subject itself, we're not going to touch it right away. We're gonna skip to the background. So we're gonna have to add a little bit more vibrance to it, but not too much. So I'm gonna select this one, but I'm gonna remove a little bit of vibrance because that's way too much here. So that look, yeah, this one looked good to me. Add-on and adjustments. So we will apply a little bit of noise reduction and some vignetting here, but that's too much vignetting. So we're gonna remove a bit here. There we go. Then we're gonna have some, add some light trail. I'm gonna add this one here and this one here. And we're gonna increase this one a bit. Yep, that's good. Some dot trail maybe, this one. Yep, that's good also. Perfect. Then we're gonna adjust the subject. We're gonna have to bring them a little bit brighter. So we have in subject adaptive wedding some preset for that, and there they are. So brightness plus or plus plus. So I'm gonna select plus and I'm gonna adjust a little bit. Yep, that's it, and we're done. So we have came from this picture to this picture in a very little time. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much.